family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an incredible overnight treatment that have amazing DHT blocker ingredients. This treatment helps with hair growth. It can block DHT, reduce shedding and thinning of your hair. If you would love to see how I make this, then please keep on watching. We will first be starting up with 1 cup of hot distilled water. And then I got my green tea. We will be using 1 pack of green tea into this mixture. Green tea support healthy hair growth and regrowth. In one study, researchers added typical green tea extract to the scalps of 3 participants with alopecia. This treatment increased hair growth by stimulating the hair follicles and preventing damage to the skin and hair. Our second ingredient is 100% coffee powder. The caffeine in coffee is great for hair when a topical application is done on the hair or scalp. It finds its way to the roots and stimulates them. Coffee stimulates the hair roots by improving its structure and growth. Caffeine can restore hair growth and prevent hair loss. I will be adding in about 2 tablespoons of coffee powder to my hot water. And after, just give that a good stir. Cover it up. It's late at my end, so I'm going to leave this overnight to further infuse. This is the next day. I'm just going to give it another stir. If you prefer to use this the same day, you can just infuse it for 2 or 3 hours and it's still going to be fine. And then I'm just going to screen it. After that, I'm now going in with my saw palmetto powder. Saw palmetto powder stops the imbalance of hormones that stand in the way of growth. This herb is similar to stinky nether. For the best result, you should combine both of them for stopping hair loss and improving growth. It also controls the overproduction of DHT. Saw palmetto inhibits the binding of DHT action and promoting the breakdown of the potent compound. I will be adding in ½ teaspoon of saw palmetto powder into our mixture. Our next ingredient is pecan powder. This powder supports healthy hair growth and improve the condition of hair by blocking DHT. It stimulates circulation to the scalp, which helps oxygen and vital nutrients reach hair roots and follicles where they are needed. I will be adding in ½ teaspoon of pecan powder into our mixture. Our next ingredient is rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil promotes hair growth. It strengthens the hair and also improves circulation. It stimulates hair growth. It is used to prevent premature graying and dandruff. It also helps with dry or itchy scalp. I will be adding in about 5 to 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. After, just give your mixture a very good stir so that you can blend in all your powder and your essential oil. And then I'm just using a butter to be able to apply it to my scalp and my hair. So let's go and apply our treatment to our hair. I have already done most of my hair off camera. I did this whole back pad off camera. And then I went to give my daughter her lunch. So I'm back to show you guys how I'm applying it to this 2 section. Now, if you are someone who prefer to use this just as a treatment and then rinse it out, that also great. You can apply it to your scalp and your hair, leave it on for a few hours and then rinse it out. But I decided to use mine as a leave-in treatment. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I will be applying it to my hair. Just make sure you having on a black shirt, because this is coffee powder. This is something that can stain your shirt, and I got my favorite black shirt. Just make sure you're wearing a shirt that you really do not care about, even though I care about my favorite black shirt. So I got the treatment here. I've already used most of it. I'm going to add the remaining one in here so that I can apply it to these two sections. Just make sure I get all the powder from underneath. Now you need to make sure you get something like this to apply it to your scalp and your hair, because if you put this in a spray bottle, you wouldn't be able to use it because of the various powders that we added to it. Now, to apply this to your hair, you will also need a moisturizer. You can use whatever favorite leave-in conditioner or favorite cream that you have on hand, but I'm using my aloe vera butter for this, and then I'm using my grease mixture. I have both videos on my channel. I will leave them down in the description box for you to see how I make my grease and my aloe vera butter. And then I also got my caffeine and my Secrets growth oil in here. This treatment, when you apply it to your hair first, you will notice that it makes your hair very strong, not hard, but very strong. So you would definitely need to go in with a moisturizer to moisturize your hair so that you don't have breakage. So let me just take this braid down fast, and then I will come back and show you guys how I'm applying the treatment to my hair. Now that I got my braid down, I'm first just going to put some of this on my hair just to break the dryness from all my hair. If you only want to focus this treatment on your scalp, that's also very great, because this works great on your scalp, and on your hair it also works great to reduce breakage and excessive shedding. Also make sure you got a towel down, because this gonna be leaking all over. And then I'm just going to take my time and apply it to my scalp and keep massaging it in. Just make sure you apply it in smaller amounts so that you don't drench yourself all over with this. This is my trouble area. This whole section was my alopecia area, so I always love to focus on that section as well. Need to make sure you massage this into your scalp. Okay, after massaging that in, I'm now going in with my caffeine and Secrets growth oil. My Secrets growth oil consists of 21 different ingredients, and then my caffeine growth oil consists of 16 different ingredients. Those are all natural herbs, moisturizing and sealing oils. And I'm also going to apply this to my here. Going in with a little bit more of the treatment on my hair shaft. Okay, I'm now going in with my butter. I'll put a little bit of it in my hand, and then I will add a little bit of the grease to it. Mix both of them together and just massage it on my hair strands. Then I will do the same with this section. And just take your time and massage it in so that you have your hair to be moisturized again, because this treatment do dry your hair out, so you need to replace the moisture back in. This section feels extremely moisturized. Feel extremely moisturized. So I'm just going to braid this section up, and then I will move to this. I'm done applying my treatment to my hair. I work from home, so I mainly keep my hair in braids or twists. But if you are someone who wear your hair out, then you can use this treatment as a pre-poo treatment, or you can use it before your deep condition. You can also include the salt palmetto powder within your deep condition, or the peach and powder, so that it can help to block DHT. That's another way that you can use it. I know many of you guys will ask me how to store this. I'm going to store this in the fridge for maximum 7 days. Every 3 days, I will take this braid down, apply this treatment, just what I did in this video, re-moisturize my hair, and I can use this for 1 or 2 more rounds, and then it's gonna be done because I used a lot of it today already. So store this in the fridge for 7 days. It depends how often you want to moisturize your hair. When it comes to natural ingredients, since we are not using preservatives in it, it lasts 7 days in the fridge, and after that you can discard it. Or some other ingredients, it lasts more, but you just have to smell it and see if it's still good. If not, just throw it away. It's ready. You cannot take the risk on that. Okay family, so if you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And please follow me on Instagram at Selena Zenchuk, and also my business page at Secrets 2018. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.